Welcome to my channel at Mr. Bakey, Mr. Maths. Okay, here we are dealing with issues of mathematics. All right, so we're still looking at algebraic expressions. Okay, we're going to look at example number 2, where we are still combining like terms. So we are still combine like terms. So let's do this one here, like terms. This is our example 2. So please make sure that you have watched the first video where we're doing example number 1. So now we're doing example number 2. My 2 is terrible there. So we are doing example number 2 now. Right. So let us say now they give you something like this. This is just number 1. So they give you minus y plus 8z minus 15 y minus 30 z plus 6. So what you'll have to do here is to first identify which letters are the same. In other words, which variables are the same here. So like, for example, we have y here and we also have y there. So there's something interesting here as well. So we can start with that. And so also another one, which is the same. We have z here and we have z here, right? So let's start. I'm going to start with the first one, the y. We can start with anyone, in fact. So I would like to start with minus y minus 15 y. All right, I'm going to finish this one here. And then you have plus 8z minus 30z. And we have a constant here, which is 6. So remember, when the signs are the same, we take one sign, then we add the numbers or the terms. In this case, we have 1y minus 15y. So we said we're going to add them, so we're going to add them. We're not going to say minus now, we're going to add them. Very, very important. The signs are the same. We add. Same signs, minus and minus, we add. Very important, boys and girls. And we take one sign. Okay, so let me finish the red one first. What is 1 plus 15? Here we get 16y. And I'm going to bring this minus down and or negative. I have my negative there. So now I have minus 16y. Now, the next one, the signs are not the same. So when the signs are not the same, we have plus here and we have minus here, or we have positive and negative. So the signs are not the same. So what do we do, guys? We subtract and we take a sign of a bigger number. And the bigger number between 8 and 30, 30 is the bigger number. And the sign of a bigger number is minus. So I'm going to say minus here, right? And then I'm going to put bracket. Then I will take the bigger number and I'm going to subtract or minus the small number, minus 8. Remember, it's 30z. Let's write it properly so that it does not confuse you guys. So it's 30z minus 8z, right? So now we want to put the constant. The constant is 6, do not forget. So let's complete this one here. So that we said when the signs are not the same, we subtract and we take a sign of a bigger number. When the signs are the same, meaning we have minus here and minus here, we add and we take one sign. When the signs are not the same, like plus and negative, we subtract and we take a sign of a bigger number. And the bigger number here is 30. So that's why we're taking minus. So our answer will have to be minus. So we have minus. So what is 30 minus 8? So our answer here will be then 22. 22z. So here we have 22z. Write it properly. So here we have 22z. Okay, and we are going to bring our constant, which is plus 6. So guys, you cannot add this or subtract or anything here. You cannot do anything when it's like this. You have to leave it like this because y and z, these terms are not the same. This y, and here we have z, and here we have 6. So we cannot add or subtract anything here. Okay, so I hope you understood that, and please remember to follow us for example number 3. All right, and share this video with all your friends as well, and make sure you also subscribe so that you are able to see all our videos. Thank you.